Hey everyone, so if you already created a resume on Zety and want to edit it, maybe update your experience or fix something, yeah, it's actually really easy once you know where to go. I'll show you step by step how to edit your resume. First, go to Zety and log into your account. Your saved resumes will appear in your dashboard. Now click on the resume you want to edit. This will open it inside the resume builder. Next, click on any section, like your summary, experience, or education, and start editing the text. You can type directly or use Zety suggestions. You can also add new sections like skills or projects or remove ones you don't need. Just use the section menu on the side. If you want, you can change the design, like colors, fonts, or layout. Zety updates everything automatically, so you don't need to worry about formatting. Once you're done, your changes are usually saved automatically, but it's a good idea to double-check everything before downloading. Finally, download your updated resume. Choose PDF or Word if you have a paid plan, or use the text option for free. And that's it. Now you know how to quickly edit your resume on Zety anytime you need to update it.